Guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel, where in this video I'll be showing you how you can add filters to your Instagram live. Press the plus button and press live, and you are just going to select a filter. After that, you are just going to sort of press on the filter again, and it is checking connection, and you are going to be ready to go live. And sorry. And you can change the filters by pressing this like smiley face emoticon and find other filters to choose. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!